Hi, I'm Meyrick, the street food chef.
And I'm Kevin from Cuca.
And we're here
to discover Kalimantan.
We're going to discover the food and the history.
And the people and the culture.
Also, we're going to learn about techniques.
Everything that we're basically learning to put on a dinner for you guys. Visit the places that make this area special.
The term Dayak was coined by the Europeans, referring to non-Malay and non-Muslim inhabitants. Dayaks are a collection of ethnic groups that have traditionally lived in the forest in both the Malaysian and Indonesian side of Borneo. They are often referred as the forest people or wild men of Borneo. This is our journey into tribal lands.
So today Kevin and I have searched really hard to find a traditional village in South Kalimantan. So they very kindly have been able to teach us a couple of new dishes. Ini apa? Ikan bau, okay. This is their catfish. It's freshly, you can see it's still got a bit of rigor mortis on it. Before you understand any cuisine, you really must understand where it's come from, and that's why I travel a lot.
So, catfish and rice. The marinade is ginger flower, turmeric, candle nut, and green indigenous shallots called Cuca Restaurant. So, no saute pans, convection ovens, or fancy steam equipment. It's bamboo and fire.
Wow, look at that.
Look
it's
at that.
beautifully cooked, isn't it?
I think this idea we could use for sure, huh?
Definitely. And they've done it with a whole fish with this one, rather than the small fish. Okay, now we're going to open the fish, and we take the fish out here. That is really good. And you know what's great is I use some of this technique already, so to be able to mix it with what you do together, I think is going to be a great combination.
Campur.
Campur. And again, that's why it's so important for me that, you know, maybe some traditions seem more extreme than others and why they do it, but if you take away tradition, then what do you have? You have a soulless society, and that's what makes, you know, everybody different in the world. And that's why, for me, it's really, really important to keep tribal tradition going and keep it through the generations.